What's up, everybody? So today we're at Krab Kingz Seafood here in Bartlett, Tennessee. It's a new key seafood place that just opened up. We're gonna try for the first time, and we're excited. So we'll take you guys along for the ride. All right, so let's go. So our food is finally here. We're at Krab Kingz again. We got the #1. It's a kind of a mixture of the snow crab legs. Got some shrimp in here. The flavor that we got is Cajun, so it's Cajun butter. I'm excited to test this out, and let's see what it tastes like. Okay, so I'm gonna try first. I'm gonna try the shrimp first. Okay. Get some of that sauce on there. Some nice good shrimp here. It's already peeled, so that's good. Very good. So we got boiled. The boil on this shrimp tastes great. Perfectly boiled, not overcooked. The butter on this is Cajun butter, so you can definitely taste the flavor of it. It's Cajun flavor. It's not too spicy, so but there's like a good array of flavor in the food. It's amazing. It's really good. Really good. All right, and next we're gonna go ahead and try some of this crab legs right here. All right, I'm gonna take some of the butter off the smaller crab leg here. Give it a shot. Pretty good. The flavor of the butter again is perfect. We're gonna try a little bit of the skinny. What's interesting is they don't give you anything to crack the leg with. And there are snow crab legs, so I'm not sure how we're supposed to eat it, but I'm gonna assume that we can just dive right into it. So let's try it. Oh yeah, the flavor is great. It is snow crab leg, so the meat is kind of skinny, but I mean you can still get it. I'm gonna get some of that sauce on it. The flavor is really good. It goes into the actual crab meat itself, so it's a really good flavor. You know it's good when you gotta lick your fingers. Awesome. All right, so in this meal, you actually get a sausage, which is kind of a surprise. I didn't even know the sausage was in there. But the sausage comes with it too. We got some potatoes. I'm excited. Probably gonna be a lot of flavors. And surprisingly, ladies and gentlemen, this is an egg. A legit hard-boiled egg here. It's part of the meal too, so it's gonna be awesome. Let's try this egg and see what it tastes like. That's a really good hard-boiled egg. It tastes really good. Really good. The potato. Ladies and gentlemen, if you ever had a really good potato, this is it. Great potato. Next, we're gonna go with the sausage. I don't know what kind of sausage this is, but it tastes awesome. A lot of seasoning, a little bit spicy. The seasoning goes all with those sausage. I think it's like a homemade sausage. I'm gonna have to ask them what kind of sausage this is later on. This is really good. So we got in here with our meal at Krab Kingz Seafood, and oh my goodness, look, leftovers. That's always a good sign. The meal was so big. We ordered a meal for 2 people. My wife ate, I ate, we ate all our food. It was really good. The butter flavor, everything was great. If you guys want some good seafood, come check it out here at Seafood Kingz. They'll treat you right. It's a Friday night, it's super busy. So yeah, come check it out, and if you want some good seafood, it's really good.